In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send money from your Binance account to your Kraken account in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So let's go straight to the process. Firstly, you will obviously need your Kraken and Binance account ready. In my case, I have no money on my Kraken account, so I want to deposit cryptos from my Binance wallet to my Kraken wallet. So to do that, all you need to do is click the deposit button right here, or you can also go to transfer and deposit. Right here you will see all the different payment methods you can choose to deposit money on Kraken, but in my case I will be using crypto because I have crypto on my Binance wallet, and you can choose any crypto you want, but in my case I want to use Litecoin. But I repeat, you can use Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, or whatever you have on your Binance wallet. So let's choose Litecoin for example. If you are new to crypto, I recommend you reading the instructions, but basically it will tell you the network you can deposit. In my case, I have chosen Litecoin, so I can only deposit on the Litecoin network. There's also a minimum deposit that will change depending on the crypto you are using. In this case, it's like $1 right now. There's also an estimated processing time, which in this case is around 30 minutes. And if you want to make sure that everything is correct, you can try sending smaller amounts first. So just go to next, and right here you will have the deposit address of the specific crypto you have chosen. You can also try scanning the QR code to make faster payments, but in my case I will be using the deposit address right here. So just copy it, and now let's go to Binance. So on Binance, you just need to go to withdraw crypto. If your interface doesn't look like this, you will need to go to your assets and then withdraw. And once you are here, you just need to select the coin that you want. In my case, it's Litecoin, but you can search for any other coin right here. Then you will need to enter the deposit address, which is the one we just copied right here. Now in this case, it has automatically detected that I'm using the Litecoin network, but for you, you might have to manually select it right here. Just see the network right here. It says network Litecoin in my case, and choose it on Binance. This is Litecoin, and then the withdrawal amount. You can of course send any amount you want. In my case, I will only send 0.1 Litecoin, and now just withdraw. Make sure that everything is right here and continue. Now you should see something like this confirming that the transaction has been sent. So now you should only wait for a few minutes, and I will be right back once the transaction has been completed. For now, you can see the transaction history right here, and you can see it's processing right now. So let's just wait until it gets confirmed. After some time, if we click on the transaction, we can see the status has changed, and now the transaction has been completed. So we can also go to Kraken, and as you can see, the portfolio value has just increased, and we can go to our recent activity right here to see our transaction history as well. So as you can see, I deposited Litecoin. This is the amount of Litecoin we withdrew from Binance, and this is the estimated amount on euros. So that's it. That's how you can transfer money from your Binance wallet to your Kraken account. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.